Hi, I'm Griff. I'm going to show you how to play You Really Got Me, the classic riff by the Kinks in this rock guitar lesson. This electric guitar riff is from my Easy Riffs for Beginners series. It only has 2 notes but is fast and is played in different positions. Here's the riff. At the end of this video I share guitar tips for beginners on how to make awesome guitar progress with this riff. But for now, here's how to play it. First of all, rest your finger 1 across all 6 strings without pressing to get this sound. Then press the tip of finger 1 to make a sound on string 6, but all the others remain muted. That's the position and the sound we want when we play this riff, because at the beginning and the end of the riff we want to be able to relax finger 1 without taking it off the string to stop the sound. So for example like this, it's muted at the moment, then I play the riff, then I relax the finger, still touching the string to cancel out the sound. That's the way we keep it clean. We're going to learn this song using the twist technique. This is where our thumb stays still behind the guitar neck while our finger 1 moves to play the notes. Here we go. Using frets 1 and 3, we play 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, like that, and relax the finger at the end. In the verse we play that 8 times, but we can practice it just 4 times to build up the speed. Next, we move our thumb to behind fret 4 and we play on frets 3 and 5. So that's 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, and we play that 4 times. Next, our finger 1 hops onto string 5 and we play the riff there, but have our tip touching the 6th string to cancel it out. And then we play the riff 4 times there. Like that. After we finish the 4th time, we play a C chord, which we can play just by using finger 1 on fret 5, pressed down on strings 2, 3, 4. And then all we do is we strike that. That lasts for 8 beats, and then we go back to the beginning. Here's a tip to help play the riff. Keep your finger 1 on throughout the riff. Don't take it off. My 30 years of teaching experience has taught me that the quickest way to take your guitar playing to the next level is to have a great teacher. I have 2 spaces available for one-to-one lessons on Skype, FaceTime or Zoom. Click the link in the description to get in touch. Next, I show you how to make awesome guitar progress with this riff, and if you're new, this is the best way to practice when you're a beginner. Practice along with me, starting with the first section. 1, 2, 4 times. 3, 4. Then we move to frets 3 and 5 after 4. Here we go. 3, 4. Four times on this one. That's it, and then we hop onto the 5th string and we play frets 3 and 5. Here we go, after 4, 3, 4. Four times. Play the C chord for 8 beats. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 6 we get ready to go back to the beginning. Here we go. And that's your practice done. Once you can play this classic rock guitar riff with me in the video, play it only using the simple drum pattern at 40 beats per minute. Before you start to increase the tempo, one notch at a time from 40 beats per minute to 80 beats per minute, remember, quality first, speed second. Once you can play each section at 80 beats per minute, start playing the whole song, the whole sequence, with all of the parts one after another. Start at 80 and then aim to get to 1-3-6, because that's the tempo of the original song. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 8 times. Then we slide it to fret 3. 4 times. Then hop over 6 times. Then the C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to go back for the riff. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And if there's a riff you want to learn to play, let me know in the comments section. If you want to be notified when the next video gets published, subscribe and click the hell out of that bell. Sorry, I've watched too many episodes of Suits. You can find out about my free online guitar course here. The link is also in the description. Click here to go back to the channel for any of the playlists. See you in the next video.